Well, I turned the air conditioner on for the first time for the season, and of course the air conditioner in the attic came on, but the outside unit didn't come on. Wasn't too impressed with the last company that I had out here, so I called John Moore. I'd seen the advertisements on TV, and the person who answered the phone, it was very, helpful as far as asking me what my problem was. Guy came out. He was on time. He called me right before, like they said, about 30 minutes or whatever before he's going to show up. He called, said he's going to be there. Of course, came in, asked me what the problem I was having. He was up in that attic 2 or 3 times, checking everything, and he just couldn't figure out what was wrong. So we were outside a couple times and went to pull the wires out of the wall, where saw that the wires had come apart. And so that's all it was. He goes, "This is it." He put the wires back together, went upstairs, tested it. Everything was working fine. The technician was very respectful of the house. I said, "Don't worry about your shoes because it's clean. You just came off the sidewalk." But he put his little booties on and went upstairs, up in the attic. And any mess he made, like I said, reinstalling the thermostat, he cleaned up. Everything was just, better than when he got here, just about. When he was reinstalling the thermostat, and after he got everything fixed, he was reinstalling it. And this is the thermostat that another company had put in about, I guess, 2 years ago or so. And when he was reinstalling it, he looked at the back of it and noticed that it had the wrong setting on it. The setting was set for electric heat, and I have gas heat here. So he fixed that too before he put it all back together, and of course anchored it even better to the wall. It wasn't anchored as well as it should have been. So he went out to his truck, got some more stuff, come up and anchored it real good, and I was just real pleased with him. When he was initially troubleshooting, he was talking about the circuit board could be bad. There's some companies that may have sold me a circuit board for all I know, but he didn't. He didn't stop there. He just kept plugging away and found out it was something as simple as a wire had come loose outside. The very first time I used John Moore, and definitely use them again, that's for sure.